Fiji's dry season, from May to October, is the prime time for beach lovers and adventurers. With temperatures ranging from 19 to 29 degrees Celsius, the climate is perfect for soaking up the sun on Fiji's stunning beaches or diving into its clear waters. This season also coincides with cultural and music festivals, adding a festive atmosphere to your tropical getaway. But remember, it's peak tourist season, so book your stay and activities early. Fiji's diverse landscapes create unique microclimates, each offering different experiences. The cooler, rainier highlands of Viti Levu are ideal for hiking, while the Mamanuca and Yasawa Islands offer drier conditions perfect for snorkeling. The eastern islands, like Taveuni, are wetter, nurturing lush rainforests and waterfalls. Research the specific areas you're visiting to pack and plan accordingly. Fiji's cultural calendar is brimming with events that showcase its rich traditions. From New Year's Day to the colorful Holi Festival, and from the Hibiscus Festival in August to Diwali's Festival of Lights, there's always something to celebrate. Participating in these events offers a unique glimpse into Fijian life and creates unforgettable memories. To make the most of Fiji's events, check weather forecasts and cyclone warnings, and book your travel and accommodations early. Be flexible with your plans to accommodate any last-minute changes, and engage with local communities for a deeper cultural experience. Aligning your visit with Fiji's festive calendar can greatly enrich your travel experience. Choosing sustainable accommodations is key to eco-friendly travel in Fiji. Look for resorts with environmental certifications like EarthCheck and those involved in community conservation projects. By staying at these places, you support local efforts to preserve Fiji's ecosystems and contribute to a more sustainable tourism industry. For water sports enthusiasts, the dry season from May to October offers the best conditions for diving, with excellent visibility and calm seas. While diving is possible year-round, these months provide the perfect setting for exploring Fiji's underwater marvels. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, Fiji's waters are waiting to be discovered. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.